Hello listeners, hello video viewers, welcome to English with Alex channel. The topic number 3 is berry names. Barberry, barberries. Blackberry, blackberries. Black chokeberry, black chokeberries. Blueberry, blueberries. Buckthornberry, buckthornberries. Cherry, cherries. Cloudberry, cloudberries. Cowberry or lingonberry, cowberries or lingonberries. Cranberry, cranberries. Currant, currants. Date, dates. Dogwood, dogwoods. Elderberry, elderberries. Fig, figs. Grape, grapes. Goji berry, goji berries. Gooseberry, gooseberries. Huckleberry or honeyberry, huckleberries or honeyberries. Raspberry, raspberries. Rosehip, rosehips. Rowan, rovens. Strawberry, strawberries. Viburnum, viburnums. Wild strawberry, wild strawberries. Watermelon, watermelons. Thank you for watching, bye for now, and see you next lesson.